After connecting network cable to your PLC, we'll go to our Windows, and first of all, we will run the Pronita software from Siemens. It will scan all the network and look for any Siemens devices connected to our network. We will click on the network analysis and it will start to scan our network. As you can see that our PLC has been scanned and it is showing that a PLC with IP address 192.168.0.10 is connected to our PC. Next, we will go to our network connection and here we will select and go to its properties. Next, we will go to IPv4 settings properties and here we will set the IP address same as here, but we will keep the last. So I keep here 110. I'll click OK, close. And next we will open the TIA portal software. Here we will go to this online access menu, open it and double click on this gigabit network connection. And here we will update accessible devices and it will scan our network. As you can see that our PLC is connected here at 192.168.0.10 IP address. We will open this folder and go to this online and diagnostics. As you can see that and this CPU was programmed in TIA Portal version 20. Online and upload device as new station, both hardware and software. We will click on the start search and we have searched this CPU at IP address 10. I will click on the upload. And as you can see that it has uploaded the CPU 1512SP and along with its blocks as well. If we open the device configuration, we can see that our CPU is here and its IP address is here. So that's how we upload the ET200SP CPU.